Recognition means when one sovereign state decides to consider another entity as a sovereign state. Recognition can be done in two different ways. It can either be an express recognition or implied recognition. If India wants to recognize, let's assume Kosovo as a country, then we will either issue a declaration with that regard, or we will initiate diplomatic ties with Kosovo by establishing our consulate offices there. Another way of recognizing Kosovo could be through implied manner. If we don't need to start a new consulate office there, but still want to recognize that place as a country, we just need to start respecting their government documents. So if we allow people to enter India on Kosovo's passport, that would also mean as if we have recognized Kosovo as a country. Recognition is also an important aspect of the concept of state. State needs to have 5 characteristics: territory, sovereignty, population, government, and recognition. Imagine that you are swimming across Indian Ocean and you discovered a new island. As that island is not claimed by any other country, you can try to create a new country on that place, on that island. So you have satisfied first condition, territory. And second condition is sovereignty. That territory shouldn't be claimed by any other sovereign nation. So if you landed on an island belonging to Andaman and Nicobar Island series, you cannot claim sovereignty over it because Government of India is already holding sovereignty over those territories. So if you discovered a new island which wasn't discovered by anybody else so far, you can claim that you are the sovereign of that place. Territory, sovereignty. Now you need population. So you brought in all your friends and family to that island. You created a new population. Government. In order to be regulated, that island must form at least some type of government. Suppose you declared yourself to be the new king of that island. So now you have satisfied 4 major conditions: territory, sovereignty, population, and government. But still, your island will not be considered a full-fledged country unless other countries of the world start treating you as one. Recognition is important. Take the example of Islamic State of Syria and Levant, popularly known as Daesh. Daesh has occupied territories of Iraq as well as Syria. That territory is under their sovereignty. They are in complete control. There are millions of people who are residing in that area. So they have territory, sovereignty, population, and they have also formed a government, the Caliphate. Only element which they are missing is the recognition by the other sovereign nations of the world.
Did you like this video? Then you should definitely check Endeavour CLAT online course. 100 plus hours of live lectures, 120 plus topic based videos, 500 plus sectional and full length mock tests covering CLAT, IELTS, SLAT, LSAT, MHCET and more.